Welcome to our channel. Are you looking to kickstart a healthier lifestyle with a delicious 7-day diet plan that won't leave you feeling deprived? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through a week of low-calorie meals that you'll absolutely love. Let's dive in. Day 1. Breakfast. Avocado toast. Let's start with Day 1. For breakfast, enjoy a hearty yet healthy avocado toast. Spread ripe avocado on whole grain bread, add a pinch of salt and pepper, and top it with cherry tomatoes and a drizzle of olive oil. Day 2. Lunch. Grilled chicken salad. On Day 2, for lunch, savor a grilled chicken salad. Marinate chicken breast with your favorite spices, grill it, and serve it on a bed of fresh greens, cherry tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette. Day 3. Dinner. Zucchini noodles. For Day 3's dinner, indulge in zucchini noodles. Sauté zucchini noodles in garlic and olive oil and top them with a tomato and basil sauce. Add a sprinkle of grated Parmesan for that extra flavor. Day 4. Snack. Greek yogurt with berries. As a snack on Day 4, enjoy Greek yogurt with a handful of fresh berries. It's a satisfying and nutritious option to curb your midday cravings. Day 5. Breakfast. Oatmeal with fruit. For Day 5's breakfast, prepare a warm bowl of oatmeal. Top it with your favorite fruits, a drizzle of honey, and a sprinkle of nuts for added crunch. Day 6. Lunch. Quinoa salad. On Day 6, relish a quinoa salad. Mix cooked quinoa with chopped vegetables, black beans, and a zesty lime dressing for a satisfying and low-calorie meal. Day 7. Dinner. Baked salmon. For the final day, Day 7, treat yourself to baked salmon. Season a salmon fillet with herbs and bake it until flaky. Serve it with steamed asparagus and a lemon butter sauce. There you have it. A week's worth of delicious low-calorie meals that you'll love. These recipes are not only healthy, but also bursting with flavor. Remember to balance your meals, control portions, and stay active to make the most of this 7-day diet plan. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. We're here to help you on your journey to better health and tastier meals. Thanks for watching and enjoy your week of delicious, nutritious eating.